So, this is my new slime I made. I think it's galaxy slime. And the thing is, I forgot how to make it. But I went to the dollar store and got this cool container. But yeah, I literally just made it maybe 15 minutes ago. So yeah, bye. See you next time.